In today's video, we're diving into the world of portable air compressors and tire inflators. We've handpicked the top 5 contenders that will have your tires pumped up and ready for action in no time. From powerful motors to compact designs and handy features, these products are here to tackle deflated tires with gusto. And I also mentioned all product links in the description box. Let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. Avid Power Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Are you tired of struggling with flat tires and deflated air mattresses? Look no further than the Avid Power Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This compact and versatile device is a must-have for any car owner or outdoors. With its dual power options of 12 VDC and 120 VAC, this tire pump is incredibly convenient. Whether you're on the road or at home, you can easily inflate your car tires, bike tires, or even air mattresses. Equipped with 2 powerful motors, this tire inflator ensures fast and efficient inflation. You won't be left waiting around for your tires to fill up. The digital pressure gauge provides accurate readings, allowing you to inflate your tires to the desired size with precision. Here are some pros. Dual power options for versatility, powerful motors for fast inflation, digital pressure gauge for accurate readings, convenient deflation modes. Cons. The power cord could be longer for greater reach. Number 2. California Air Tools 8010 Steel Tank Air Compressor. If you require a reliable and quiet air compressor, look no further than the California Air Tools 8010 Steel Tank Air Compressor. This powerful machine is perfect for a variety of applications, from inflating tires to powering pneumatic tools. Here are some pros. Ultra-quiet operation, oil-free pump for low maintenance, powerful motor, portable with wheels and handles. Cons. The power cord could be longer for greater reach. Number 3. Kenson Portable Air Compressor. The Kenson AC/DC tire inflator pump is a versatile and reliable tool that offers convenience and performance in one compact package. Whether you're on the road or at home, this portable air compressor will have your tires inflated in no time. Featuring both 12 VDC and 110 VAC power options, this tire inflator pump is incredibly versatile. You can use it with your car's cigarette lighter socket or plug it into a standard household outlet. No matter where you are, inflating your car, bike, or motorcycle tires is a breeze. Here are some pros. Dual power options for versatility, fast and efficient inflation, built-in pressure gauge, compact and lightweight. Cons. The power cord could be longer for greater reach. Number 4. Alltop Air Compressor Kit. The Alltop Air Compressor Kit is a must-have tool. This powerful 12V portable inflator is specifically designed for trucks, SUVs, 4x4 vehicles, and RV tires. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi, this air compressor delivers exceptional performance. It can handle even the toughest tire inflation tasks, ensuring that you're always prepared for off-road adventures or long road trips. The 7.06 CFM airflow rating means you won't be kept waiting for your tires to inflate. This air compressor kit also comes with additional accessories, including nozzle adapters and a storage bag, providing everything you need for on-the-go tire inflation. Here are some pros. Powerful and heavy-duty performance, high maximum pressure, fast airflow, durable construction. Cons. The power cord could be longer for greater reach. Number 5. Hilltide Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This portable air compressor is here to revolutionize your tire inflation experience. With its powerful features and convenient design, this portable air pump is a game changer. With a high-capacity 25,000 mAh battery, this inflator ensures you're never caught without power. You can inflate your car tires, bike tires, motorcycle tires, sports balls, and more, wherever you are. No need to worry about finding an external power source, simply charge the battery and take it on the go. The digital pressure gauge allows you to monitor the tire pressure with accuracy, preventing overinflation or underinflation. Here are some pros. High-capacity battery for cordless operation, 2 times faster inflation speed, digital pressure gauge, compact and lightweight design. Cons. The battery life could be longer for extended usage. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Comment below for any issues, I'm here to assist. Enjoy life with our cool products. Thanks for watching, have a great day.